Using a teleprompter for things like YouTube videos and podcast episodes is going to greatly improve the quality of your content and give you that time back that would have otherwise been spent on memorizing or redoing your lines. We're going to look at these 4 different scenarios that you may be using a teleprompter in and give you the best apps for each scenario, and I'll throw in some tips along the way. Let's get started. The first way to use a teleprompter is with an actual teleprompter that can attach to your DSLR. We recommend the Padcaster. This can screw directly into your camera, and you can attach your phone to use as the teleprompter device, and you can actually read off the mirror while looking into the camera lens. In fact, I'm using the Padcaster right now for this video. It comes with a remote in the box, so you'll actually be able to slow down and speed up text on your phone via Bluetooth and pause when needed. When using a teleprompter, try to be a bit farther away from the camera than usual. This will make your eye scanning much less prominent. 5 or 6 feet away from the camera will do the trick. Now, there are multiple teleprompter apps that you can use on your phone. One that we recommend is Teleprompter Premium. It's the same app across devices, including desktop, and it will actually sync your scripts across whatever devices you use it on. On whatever app you choose, if you're recording using a physical teleprompter, you want to make sure that you have the ability to mirror your text. Depending on the teleprompter you use, you may have to make your text upside down and backwards to make sure that it reflects properly in the mirror. I'll link Teleprompter Premium for all devices in the description of this video. Now, you may want to just film using your phone camera and a teleprompter on your phone screen. Teleprompter Premium does allow for this. The only downside is you have to record in the app. But this means that if you want to record natively on TikTok or Instagram or Riverside, you won't be able to use the teleprompter. I recommend the app Teleprompter Floating Notes. This app will allow you to use it while recording on other camera apps. Simply add your script and play with the settings to get the desired speed and text size. Select floating, and now you can adjust the size of the teleprompter and reposition it as needed. Try to place it as close to the camera as possible. When you open a different app to record on, like Riverside, your teleprompter will still be on the screen. Now, if you are filming directly on your computer, maybe filming a webinar, there are tons of choices for teleprompters on your computer. Here is the Teleprompter Premium app on desktop. It's important to remember when you're filming on desktop to position the teleprompter as close to the top of the screen as possible. You want your eyes to be looking close to the camera. You can also resize the app so that you can limit how much your eyes are scrolling. Try to keep your reading up at the top 3 lines so that your eyes stay as close to the camera as possible. This is what it looks like when you're recording on your desktop and you're looking at just the first 3 lines on the teleprompter. You can see that my eyes are pretty close to still looking at the camera. If you're a Riverside user, as the host, you have the option to use the teleprompter feature within the Riverside studio. Simply press script at the bottom, and you can insert your script. I've already inserted mine, and select teleprompter. This will turn your script into a teleprompter. You can use the tools along the bottom to make sure that the sizing and the speed is comfortable for you. This is what the teleprompter will look like while it starts scrolling. You can also use the pop-out button to eliminate your video to help with distractions. Using a teleprompter can be a game changer for creating high-quality content while saving time and effort. Whether you're using a DSLR, a phone, a computer, there are teleprompter apps and devices that can work for you. Take the time to experiment with different settings and find what works best for your needs. With a little practice, using a teleprompter can become second nature and greatly improve the quality of your content. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video from Riverside. Thanks for watching this one. My name is Bridget, and I'll see you in our next one.